guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a giveaway. I'm not going into nail stuff because we just finished up the 13 nights of Halloween, and I want to thank you guys so much for the support. I really appreciate every single one of you. You guys are literally amazing, and thank you so much. So I want to give back to you. This is not sponsored. This is everything from me, and I figure let's have a couple winners. So I wanted to give out a couple different gift cards. I'm thinking $5 to Starbucks, get yourself a cup of coffee and just chill. Just have time for yourself, because we all need that. 2, I'm thinking $10 to Amazon, because why not? Amazon has all the good stuff. And then treat yourself to Target. We're doing 15 to Target. And depending on how many entries I get, if I just get overwhelmed with a ton of entries, I may add a couple more gift cards, but I wanted to split them up so more people had chances to win them, because I want people to have fun, and I like that it's not necessarily here in the United States. So it's allowing you to be anywhere, if you have those places, to get these gift cards. And I really wanted that because that's super important to me, and shipping right now is terrible. Trust me, I'm feeling it too. So the rules. All I would like you to do is comment on another video. So let's say you liked the GLAM one. So you would go comment on GLAM. Please leave 5 or more words on it. So it could be, I really like this tutorial, thanks so much for sharing. Totally acceptable. You don't have to be deep. I'm not asking you to like diagnose my video. Just have fun with it. Just leave that comment and then come back to this specific video and let me know which one you commented on. So it's essentially 2 comments per entry. Enter as many times as you want. If you want to go comment on GLAM, Oogie, you know, the glow in the dark ones, the bat ones, comment on as many as you want. But make sure every time you comment on this video, it's individual. So Oogie would be a comment on here saying, I comment on Oogie, and then at whatever your Instagram is, your email, a way that I can contact you. Prefer not cell phone numbers because we're not that close, okay? So do it that way, and then I can contact you. So each one will be a different entry, and you are allowed duplicate entries. So I'm leaving you up to comment on whatever video you want. That's right. I originally was gonna do it on the 13 nights of Halloween, and you could leave, I think it's like 14 or 15 videos. You could leave that. No, I'm gonna let it open up to everything. So if you wanna go through and comment on all 100 something of my videos to enter this, please, welcome. Welcome to the family, and just have fun with it. So I'm gonna leave this open for a week. And again, depending on how many entries, I may bump up some of the prizes just because I want it to be fun. I want this to be a thank you to you guys too. And I'm keeping it on YouTube. I'm not gonna make you go to my Instagram. No, we're here. Let's have some fun. And I want to, again, thank you guys so much for your support, and I want to give back to you. So again, comment on another video, comment here, letting me know which one you commented on and a way to contact you. Please be 18 years or older. And that's, I think, all I have to say. Not sponsored. Yeah. Well, thanks, guys. Again, I appreciate it, and I hope you are staying safe, and good luck. I will announce the winner in a week. So today is Halloween. Happy Halloween. And let's look at a calendar real quick. So we gonna announce it. Let's do it on Sunday the 8th, because this will go up Sunday the 1st. So Sunday the 8th at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will go ahead and flip through some of the winners. So let's say I'll close it at, you know what? I'll close it at midnight. I'm closing this November 8th at midnight, and then I will announce hopefully the next day or 2 once I can do the randomizing of it. And I will allow duplicate comments. So comment on as many as you want, and I'll leave the things below. So yeah. Close at midnight or 11:59 on the 8th, and then I will announce in the next couple days. So good luck. May the odds be ever in your favor. I just always wanted to say that. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.